Welcome to Drop It Like It's Scott, your home for gun range, gun reviews, and encouraging thoughts. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe little icon down there. It's a little watermark that will be sure to subscribe you. It's right over there. Go hit it. Go hit it. Hit that bell, little bell notification too. That way you know when the videos are coming. All right, so we are on our way to a fun place called the gun range. Glad you're gonna come along for the ride. We're gonna have a good time. I've got a bunch of guns. We're gonna have to test some of these out for future videos, so stick around. I'm gonna save you the long, boring drive that it takes to get to the gun range. So we'll be there in a few minutes. For you, it'll be a second, like right now. Wow. All right, before we get started, go check out my friends over at WeThePeopleHolsters. Let them know Drop It Like It's Scott sent you. We're gonna get some fire going on here. All right, guys, enjoy the show. It's gonna be fun. Gotta hit a moving target. I know. What's up with the right side going? Come on. I'm gonna watch it for a little bit before I jump right into that one. Like one pole. And that has the 4 barrels, right? It's got 2 barrels side by side. Oh, it's got the 2. Okay. Yeah. I think he's dead. Yeah, he's running that. That one is sufficiently peppered. He's long gone. Out of commission. Yes. I had a little more kick than I Sorry, I shot a 30-06 not too long ago. It was customers. I got all hunkered down and it blew my headset 5 feet behind me. I was embarrassed. I was tucked in too much and it just blew right off.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I was like, I meant to do that.
That's what you call skill.
Yeah, exactly. Fire 1. Okay, so fire 1, racket, fire 1, fire 1. Okay, can you get a picture of me as this is like a Space Invaders. Yeah. Fire. Oh! Like a 12, like a normal 12? No, oh boy. There we go. Daddy's coming home. This was in the John Wick movies. Oh, was that? Yeah. All the bad guys had this gun. Okay. And so they're all walking around like this, just going coo coo coo. Like, yeah, no, it's gonna go out of your hand like that. That's better. This kicks hard. Ready to roll? Shoot that one. What is this stuff for? Elephants. Big elephants. Yeah, they're smart. They put a pad there. The guy like me. You look alright. Where'd you say to have it? I don't want to break my shoulder. Or it is. There's no great place.
None of your easy. The muscle part. Here? No. Yeah. Put a little bit of cushion is good. Put it right up my chest. A little bit of yeah. What's that? How many shots? 6. 3 plus 1? 3 plus 1. 3, oh. Yeah, 3 plus 1. Okay. Oh, what was that one?
Doing.
I've shot a few times.
You've done this before, haven't you?
I've shot a couple times before in my lifetime. But you know.
Can I? Kind of lean into it a little bit.
I see it. You got him in the throat.
Yeah, I was aiming up a little bit.
Yeah, you got him in the throat, and then you got your 2 up top, above the head.
That's fun.
Last one got it. We're ready.
That's awesome. You say you never shot that one?
I've never shot it.
I like it.
Tell us about this SIG. You're on camera.
Oh, fantastic. So this is the new SIG. Got it. 320 gun show. SIG 320. Yeah, 320. And, I'm coming in from a Glock 26. So I'm super excited. This feels great in my hand so far. The mag release is right here at my thumb. So I'm super excited to be able to just feel comfortable using it. So let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. SIG 20. Yeah.
Here's a story about back in the Western days when cowboys would carry the 357 Magnum. If it was a six round hold in the revolver in the cylinder, they would only carry 5, and they would keep the hammer on that empty one, because when they're riding around and it's bouncing and that hammer goes off, that's going to fire and it's going to shoot. So cowboys back in the day would only carry 5 inside of a 6 round. Shells are hitting him. I'll slide over a little bit. The reason why these are so popular, well, one of the reasons, is because you can sit there, you can throw them in the water and the mud, pull them back up, rack them, go.
Yeah. Wow. When did those come out? World War II or?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah.
And they haven't like been as raw of a gun.
Right.
That you can kind of get right.
Yeah. That's a group out of 5 rounds.
Yeah.
Each person gets five rounds, 5 shots of the pistol of their choice. 7 it is.
I'll go first. All right. This is already.
Very nice.
I could have. Through the same hole.
Show off. All right, that's another fun day here at the range. Thanks for watching Drop It Like It's Scott.
Drop it like it's Scott.
Enjoy your day. Enjoy the journey. Until next time. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video of me and my buddies over at the range. We fired a whole bunch of different guns, a whole bunch of different rounds, and different calibers. So thanks for watching. But here's a word of encouragement for you today. Have you ever felt overwhelmed? You know, there's so much pressure in today's culture, but let's not be overwhelmed by the pressure and put our focus on what's important in today's culture. You know, we're called to cultivate the land that God has entrusted us with. And cultivating that land is not actually just physical land. Cultivating our relationships is cultivating the land and cultivating what God has entrusted us with. What has God entrusted you with today? Has He entrusted you with a family, with a wife, with a husband, with kids? These are the greatest gifts that God has given to us, and we need to give our all to cultivate the relationships. Thanks for watching Drop It Like It's Scott. Enjoy the day, enjoy the journey. Until next time.
Press